Welcome back editors, I'm your 7x. Do your edits still look dull? Don't worry, because in today's video I'll be sharing top 5 premium CCs for Alight motion that will help you to take your edits to the next level. So without wasting any more time, let's get into it.